We ran out of time for the ridiculous tonight. So many people yelling and, I don't know, indicting me. We ran out of time. So let's do a quick shot. Aisha's back for that. Aisha, may I present a snoring dormouse?
Where did you find this?
It was posted on YouTube, described as a dormouse in torpor, kind of hibernation state. The post says, in Britain, dormice spend up to 3/4 of their lives asleep. You must know this. And ask for donations.
Because I'm a dormouse?
No, but you're from Britain. To the Surrey Wildlife Trust to protect endangered dormice. Are there dormice everywhere in the UK, Aisha?
No, there isn't a plague. There isn't an infestation of dormice in Britain.
I would love a dormouse. So that's the most adorable thing I've ever seen.
That's how I imagine you snoring. Cutely like that.
Really?
Yeah.
Kinda. That is probably how I snore. Yeah.
Getting slightly troubling now.